What if I told you that you could build your own AI agent that scrapes data from any website without writing a single line of code? That's right. No coding, no headaches, just a powerful AI that does all the work for you in minutes. Whether you want to collect leads, track competitors, or gather research data, this method is a game changer. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional AI-powered scraper ready to go. Let's get started. Choosing the right no-code tool. First things first, we need the right no-code tool to build our AI agent. There are several platforms out there like Browse AI, Apify, and Bardeen. But for this tutorial, we'll use Chosen Tool because it's beginner-friendly and extremely powerful. Go ahead and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard where you can create an AI scraper from scratch. Setting. Up the AI scraper. Now let's set up our AI agent. Click on New Scraper and enter the URL of the website you want to scrape. The tool will automatically detect elements like text, images, and links. You just need to click on the data points you want to extract. It's that simple. Automating the process. Here's where the magic happens. Once you've selected the data, set up automation rules. You can schedule the AI agent to scrape daily, weekly, or even in real time. No need to manually refresh or revisit the site. Your AI agent will handle everything for you. And the best part? You can export the data directly to Google Sheets, Excel, or even integrate it with Zapier for automated workflows running and testing the AI agent. Now let's test it. Click Run and watch as your AI agent scrapes the website in real time. If everything looks good, save your scraper and you're done. You've just built an AI-powered web scraper without writing a single line of code. And that's it. You now have a fully functional AI scraper that can collect data from any website automatically. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps. And don't forget to subscribe for more AI and automation tricks. See you in the next video.